Alright, hello everyone. I just got back from school, so I'm going to be doing updates throughout this weekend. 3 hours, hopefully every 3 hours during the day. My last video will probably be around 9 o'clock at night for every night. But right now, Houston has a winter storm warning, and this winter storm warning is spanning all over the U.S. But something I saw really crazy is all of Tennessee and Kentucky have either an ice storm warning or winter storm warning. All of Arkansas, all of Oklahoma, almost all of Texas, all of Texas except one county has at least some kind of winter weather alert. All of Louisiana has some kind of winter weather alert, most of it an ice storm warning. All of Mississippi and parts of Arkansas. This is a very large winter storm. Virginia, West Virginia, Maryland, Pennsylvania, New York, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Vermont, everyone in the eastern part of the U.S. is going to get hit by this. I mean, even areas in Kansas, areas in Missouri have a winter storm warning. This is going to be a very large storm. So if you are anywhere within this warning, you have a high chance of having power outages if you're going to be in the ice area, especially if you have an ice storm warning. Power outages are almost 100% unless you have a self-running generator or a generator like a Generac that can keep your house running. But this winter storm is going to be one to remember. If you are not getting hit by this, that's you have to be on the West Coast, because Florida and the West Coast are the only areas that aren't going to get affected by this winter storm. What was really mind-blowing is wind chills down to negative 50 degrees are possible in North Dakota and Minnesota and Wisconsin. It's going to be it's very dangerous for y'all living up in the northern parts of the U.S. But I'm mainly talking about the southern parts, so I'm going to go to the Houston National Weather Service site. And they haven't updated it yet since this winter storm just came out a few minutes ago, but it says disruptive winter storm likely. Watch may be converted to a warning today, which already has. So the primary threat, a tenth of an inch or more of freezing rain, freezing rain. Sleet is also possible mainly north/northwest of the Houston metro area. Portions or all of the watch area may be converted to a warning today, which has already happened, and the warning has been expanded all the way down to Matagorda counties. But one thing that's really concerning, areas in Houston, y'all do have a chance of thunderstorms before this cold air gets in and it converts over to freezing rain, which is pretty mind-blowing. You're going to have thunderstorms and winter weather in the same day. So the risks for that are 20 to 45 mile an hour gusts, isolated hail, and brief heavy downpours, generally along and south of Interstate 10. So yeah, this is going to be, and areas do have all of the Houston area has an extreme cold warning now, and what that means in counties north of Houston, wind chills could be down to negative 5 degrees. That's really crazy, but it is possible. So what this basically says is bring pets indoors, protect plumbing, protect sensitive plants, protect all plants. That's what we're doing at my house since we are going to be affected by this. We are getting all of our plants protected, not even just sensitive plants. And it says cover all exposed skin and check on elderly neighbors and friends. If you're going to be affected this, check the elderly neighbors and friends. Make sure they're okay. Make sure everyone's all good. And that's pretty much all I have for now. One more thing. The ice storm warning, Houston is just 2 counties out of an ice storm warning. So what that means is basically more than half an inch of ice. So that still could come down towards Houston. It probably won't, but it might. There's a small chance that Houston could get to a half an inch of ice, but it's very unlikely. But y'all in Houston, y'all have a high chance of getting up to a tenth of an inch, even to a quarter of an inch. So that's pretty much all I got for now, guys. I will be trying to do updates throughout the day. I have to prepare for this at my house since it's gonna be we're gonna get pretty bad here too. And today is our last day to prepare for it. But I will do updates when I can for y'all. So thank y'all for watching. Bye.